The air compressor system of the power plant is divided into instrument air system and service air system. The instrument air system is an air system that provides compressed air which is being dried through the instrument air receiver and air dryer to the pneumatic automatic control instrument and other measurement control instruments. Service air system is an air system that provides compressed air directly to the direct air-driven tool, boiler L, atomizing air, and air preheater air-driven motor. Instrument air system and service air system are composed of 4 air compressors, after cooler, 2 service air receivers, 1 instrument air receiver, and 2 air dryers. When in normal operating, 2 air compressors provide compressed air at the same time to the instrument air and service air systems. The standby air compressor automatically operates when the air receiver pressure is under 7.4 kilograms per square centimeter gram.